In this quick demo, we're going to take a look at how Veeam casting can protect modern AI applications. We've built our own custom demo application called Animal AI. This application is built using a Qt vector database under the covers and then a Python Flask web server on the front end. You can see here I've got a disk attached to the Qt database which stores my animal vectors. I'm going to go ahead and use the prompt here, just ask some basic questions about the data. Again, it's using that vector database under the covers to return the results based on its interpretation of what I'm asking and what it knows in the database here. So pretty basic there, but obviously illustrates that we are using some natural language prompting in terms of getting that data. Switching over to casting though, let's go ahead and protect this application. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new policy to back up my Animal AI app. I'll make sure I export this off the cluster because snapshots are not backup. And then I'm going to go ahead and run that policy in the background so that way we actually have a backup of our application. Now, as this is running, we're going to speed it up a little bit here, but as this is running, it's actually taking an application consistent backup, which means that the backup is being performed and it's actually blocking right to the database as it's being performed. You see here in the blueprint, I've got a backup post hook that unlocks the database and a backup pre-hook that locks the database. That essentially is ensuring that our database is not being written to while our backup is being performed. Now we're going to switch back to our AI application and demonstrate a prompt injection attack here. So I'm going to type drop the database, and we can see now that the vector database is now empty, so we don't actually have any data that we can query. No worries though, we took that back up earlier, so I'm going to go ahead and click restore, and this will essentially restore my AI application and its underlying vector database to my cluster, and we'll take a look here in a second to confirm that our database has been repopulated with its data. This is a good illustration around some of the risks around AI, making sure that we are controlling for things like prompt injection, and really underscores the need for data protection for these AI applications.